Today we are going to tell a paragraph is talking about the mosquito. A mosquito will always sting us and we always feel not bad, but they have something in mosquito will infect us. It's called digger. Digger. These things will let us maybe fever or a lot of things. And the paragraph told that they have 5% cases will die. So the paragraph is talk about this. The scientists discover that there has a germs called Wolbachia. These germs can let the mosquito cannot sting us, and this germ will kill the mosquito egg. So let the mosquito lesser and lesser, and these germs will also let the straw on the mosquito being cure. So they can go through our skin and sting us. So the scientists told about that in the last paragraph. They told about they try to let the Wolbachia germs being more infected in many mosquito, and they will cause and because no people to sting, so they won't spread the danger to us. I think this is cool. I also haven't known that before I see the paragraph. This is very fresh. It's a fresh knowledge because, and this is a new kind of things we can try.
Okay, first, this paragraph is talking about a mosquito, which name is Aedes aegypti. It is another country's language, and they find that it will spread a very more disease to our human beings than almost with a lot of disease is spread very 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 not good to us, very fatal to us, and about 50% of the people which is infected by it will die. And so scientists uh, are finding ways to kill this or to prevent the spread of disease, and they find a method which is that is infected by a Wolbachia virus, and it will make these mosquitoes straw, make it become bendy and much smaller, and when it stings to people's skin, it can't get anybody from us, get any blood from us, and they would die because they cause the blood. Yes, and but it is only an experiment, the laboratory from these science and scientists, and they don't know. They don't know. Even they have bring it to an outspread and see what it will happen, and they find it will not infect a lot to other animals, but it is just in a little field. Maybe it's another a little field, and they find it's a successful experiment and a very good try, but they don't know how it will happen if that all of the country or all of the world mosquito infected by this virus. I have do some research in Google and find that it's a real experiment and a good try for them and for our humans, because it will reduce the disease spread from the mosquito, and maybe all of us will get more healthy because of the mosquito, and it's a good way, and better than you go every house and tell them to drop out their water in the box, and it is more useful. Yes.